Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you on how you can add a bank to Everydollar. Now, it's really easy and simple, guys. Make sure first things first, you sign in at everydollar.com. Then you want to click on the accounts icon in the upper right-hand corner, all right? Now, you want to search for your bank by the bank name or website. For example, if it's First Bank or firstbank.com. And if you already have another bank account added, you just want to click on the plus add account option, okay, plus add account to search for a different bank. And then you'll be prompted to share using Affinity, okay? Affinity is basically a third-party provider that they actually use to help facilitate the connection between your bank and Everydollar. So this helps ensure that they maintain, privacy between and security of your bank accounts. And then you want to just click on next after you do that. Just manually enter the same login information you normally use to sign into your bank's website, and don't use an autofill, guys. So don't worry, this is safe. This is a third party, integration to help you out. And you want to be sure to answer any security prompts. For example, if they ask for a one-time passcode or a security question, maybe what is your favorite color, questions like that. Answer those correctly, and then just click on connect, and then you should be done. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. And if it does, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you in the next one.